How to Change Hair Color in Roblox 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your hair color in Roblox, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your phone or PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 1. Go to Avatar Editor. Tap on your profile icon. Now select Avatar or Avatar Editor. This is where you customize your character. Step 2. Choose Hair Item. Go to Head and Body section. Tap on Hair. Select the hair you want to use. Step 3. Change Hair Color. Now go to Body/Skin Tone or Color Settings, depending on your version. Here, you'll see different color options. Select your preferred color. Your hair will update automatically if the item supports color changes. Important note: not all hair items support custom colors. Some hairs come with a fixed color, so you may need to buy a different color version from the Avatar shop or choose a dynamic hair that supports color change. Bonus tip: search in the Avatar shop for terms like colorable hair or dynamic hair. These allow better customization. And that's it! Now you know how to change hair color in Roblox easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.